Hey guys, I'm going to share with you the biggest mistake I made in the trade, and it was a learning experience for me as a new lead electrician. Maybe you have a funny learning experience you could share with us in the comment section below. If you like the content, subscribe. If you don't like the content, then leave us a nasty comment in the comment section, and we'd even appreciate that. And if you're not even in the electrical trade, maybe you have a funny learning experience from your work field, in the automotive trade, plumbing, maybe you're flipping burgers in McDonald's, and have some learning experience from that grill you could share with us. But anyways, I made a $600 mistake when I was a new lead electrician, and I ran about 400 feet of conduit across a commercial roof. Now, to give you a little backstory, I had been previously working in Panama City and rebuilding service masts every day after Hurricane Michael, and we put these boots over this mast pipe on the roof and screw it to the roof and put silicone caulk on these penetrations so that no water will seep in through these penetration holes. And if you've seen roofers tie off to the peak of a roof, you'll even see they wiggle a shingle free, and then they nail this bracket into the roof and tie off to it. When they're done, they rip it up and silicone off their penetration holes and put the shingle back in place. Now, I'm on a commercial roof now, and apparently that is a no-go, but I run 400 feet of pipe on this commercial roof, and I know the code says that I have to secure this pipe, so I'm thinking I got to put 2 straps in this pipe every 10 feet. And so I get some self-tapping screws, and I start popping these things through this commercial roof, and you know, I gotta admit, after like 3 of these, I'm thinking this don't seem very legit, but I did it. Siliconed it off like I said I was going to, and find out later that this was a no-go for the warranty company. The roofing company that warranties that roof will not allow you to penetrate through those commercial roofs, and they came, fixed the mess up that I made, and that cost us $600. We still made money on the job, but if you're ever a new guy doing work on a commercial roof, you can't screw into it most of the time. So watch out for that. There's a couple of ways you could do it without doing what I did. And one is you can cut 2x4 pieces, put them on the roof, and silicone caulk the 2x4 piece to the commercial roof. They'll let you do that. And that will work as an adhesive to keep the board in place so that you could run your pipe across the top and screw your straps into that 2x4, never penetrating the roof. Now, another thing you could do is get a roof topper that looks like this, and it's weighted, and it does not need to be mechanically connected to the roof. Has a piece of strut here, and you could use strut straps to secure your conduit to this weighted roof topper, and you can run those at whatever spacing you determine they need to be set at. So those are 2 ways you could do it. That is a mistake that I made. It was a learning experience for me, and I'm man enough to admit it. And maybe you guys have some things that you could share with us as well, so that guys can learn from it, and maybe we'll make a compilation video where we could share those stories on an upcoming video. So I'm Michael Irwin. Thanks for watching. Share this video.